In this video we're going to look at how you can make money with only a few clicks. So in this video we will go over exactly how you can get started with this method. We'll look at why this is a great way to earn some extra money online. I'm going to show you the different websites that you can use to make money with this method. Now what I really like about this is you do not need any skills or experience to get started with this. And you can go ahead and get this whole thing set up today for absolutely free. It will not cost you a penny to go and try and make some money with this method. Now if you stay till the end, what I will do is I'll share some free softwares that you can use to start earning some extra money. I'll also go and show you how you can make more money with this method, and then finally I will show you how to find thousands of people who are looking for help with this service or this product that I'm going to show you in this video. This is all really simple stuff. It literally takes a couple of clicks, so stay till the end and you'll know exactly where you need to go and what you need to do and how you can basically get this whole method up and running today at the end of this video. It will, after you watch this video, it will probably take you about 5 minutes, if that, to go ahead and start trying to make some money with this. So let's go ahead and jump into this and I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do and what you don't need to do. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to look at a really simple method to make some extra money online with just a few simple clicks. Now to do this we're going to need a few different websites, and I'll walk you through these and I'll walk you through the process basically from start to finish of how you can do this. So the first website you're going to need for this to work is this one here, and it's called Fiverr.com. Now here I've just come into the video and animation category, and then I've gone on to the short video ads. Now this is just one of the categories we're going to go ahead and look at. Now on here you can see people will go ahead and create bespoke videos and bespoke commercials, and they're really all just very short intro videos, really, and I mean really small videos. So these last between 10 and 30 seconds, and you can go through and see all the different prices of people on here. So you've got some starting at £11.92, we've then got £100, we've then got £219, £27, £35, £67, etc, etc. So what will happen on here is when people are first starting out over on Fiverr, they go ahead and list their prices relatively low. So you can see like these ones here and these ones here. And then once they go ahead and get feedback and start climbing up the rankings, then they go ahead and put the prices up. So as you can see here with this rapper man, top rated seller, he's selling, his videos here are starting at £219. So let's go and have a look at this and see what's so special about this. So as you can see here, this is the rapper man, and these are his videos that he offers starting at this price here, £218. You can see you get a 15-second video for this here and it's £218. Let's go ahead and have a quick look at what one of these videos looks like. So as you can see there's nothing really special about that. It's literally a couple of images, a couple of videos and some overlay text on there. Now you can go through and have a look at some others. Let's have a look at this one. Again, nothing special about this. So this is one website where you can go ahead and offer these services, and at the beginning of the video I said you can do this in a few clicks. Well, every video that you're seeing on here, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get really simple templates, and basically you literally do a couple of clicks and then you can go ahead and start creating these videos yourself. And basically you can go ahead and start listing gigs on Fiverr. Now this video is not just about listing gigs on Fiverr, because when it comes to Fiverr, the marketplace on Fiverr is very competitive, and lots of people go ahead and get started on Fiverr and then they quit just because they can't get a sale within the first couple of days. It's going to take some time and effort on your behalf to do this. So this is one place where you can come and list these gigs or list your services once you know where you go ahead and get the software. So obviously this is Fiverr. You can go ahead and do these short video ads. Another thing that you can offer in this with this service, another thing you can offer with this software that I'm going to share with you is you've got video and animation. You can go and also offer logo animation. We've got short video ads. We've got spokespersons videos. Let's have a look at these spokespersons videos. So again, you can see all different starting prices on here, but all of these here, they're all really simple, and I'll go and show you where you can go ahead and get all the templates to go ahead and create these videos yourself. And don't worry, you do not need to be on camera or anything. It's really simple to do. Another thing that we can do with this is, let's go down to this one here, logo animation. Come down here, lots of animations on here, and again, you can see all different prices. So you've got people who are starting out, we've got people who are level 2 sellers, and then we've got top rated sellers. So you can see when you're first starting out on here, you're building up your profile. But if you didn't want to start with these low end prices, then you can simply go ahead and put your prices on here for a lot higher. So you can see, like here, this person here, they're just jumping in at £200 basically, and they've already got a 5-star rating, and they've had 6 reviews left for them. So it's entirely how you want to go ahead and do this method. Let's go ahead and look at this one here. So he's selling them at 100 and, well, basically coming up to £200. Let's go and have a look at his different animations. So again, there's nothing really that special on here, to be honest with you. Look at this. That's it. You can see it's a 7-second video. 7 seconds, it lasts up to 20 seconds, and it'll be £198. Scroll down here. Yeah, he's a new seller and he's selling them at this price here already. So it just shows you that if you are just starting out, you do not have to go with what everyone else is doing and offer your prices at a lower price. You can see here, this person's starting out at £198. And they've been a member since January 2019. So they've been on here a couple of months, but they've already set out their prices at a pretty premium price point, and people are prepared to pay for this. So this is over on Fiverr. Now another place where you can go ahead and find these different services where you can offer them is over on Upwork. So I've simply come over to Upwork, I've not even signed in or anything, and I've just typed in video ads, and you can see there's 984 jobs available for video ads. So let's just click on this first one. Let's go down, we'll click on this one here, and we'll have a look at this book advertisement video. So what is it? I need a quick 30 to 45 second ad created with voiceover for my book, blah blah blah, $150. Again, with the softwares that I'm going to show you, you can go ahead and apply for this job here. And literally all I would do is, when you first start out with this method, I would go through every single one of these and see exactly what they need, what they don't need, and then just basically apply for it. So you've got two options with this. You can come over to sites like Upwork here, and you've got another one called guru.com or Freelancer. There's many of these freelancing sites. You can come through and literally just scroll down here. Look at this, create an 8-second video. This one's only $15, but you could go ahead and apply for this to get some feedback on this site here, Upwork. So you've got Upwork and you've got all these various different freelancing sites, and then you've also got Fiverr where you can go ahead and list all of these gigs or services that you're going to offer. Now when it comes to these videos on here and offering these gigs, the best place where you can go ahead and get free templates from is this website here. So you've got this website here. Now this one here is called Flixpress. Now you can go ahead and get signed up for free with this. Now you can see on here at this moment in time, I've just logged in here. This is on a free plan, and you get 2 minutes of video rendering. So on the free plan, you can come over here, and even if you're knocking these out at 30 seconds, you're going to go ahead and get 4 minutes for this. Now along here, you've got all of these different templates on here. So you've got free plans, intro, slideshow, promo, etc. You've also got ads here as well. So let's look at the ads first. I'm going to scroll down here so you can see you've got different types of business plans on here. But let me just go and show you one of these ads here. And then you've got another one here. Now you can see all of these, they're all professional videos, they're all very easily editable, and this is what the point I was making at the beginning of the video where I said you can do this with a few clicks. You simply click on one, go into it, and you make a couple of edits. Now let me show you some intros. Let's have a look at some intros. Look at, there's all of these different intros on here. So let's go look at this one here, this gaming bot. I'm going to click on here. You can see, let me just pause this. So this is the video for you. This is the template duration. So this is only 12 seconds. So when you first sign up to this with your free account, you get up to 2 minutes. So you can see at this moment in time, this one here, it will only take up 12 minutes. So click on play. So all of this here, and this, and this, and this here, this is all editable, and it literally is just a couple of clicks. So if you wanted to go with this one, you would simply click on Customize Now. It then loads up like this. You upload a couple, as you can see here, you upload 2 images, and then you go ahead and change the text, and then click Render. It is just a few clicks. It's very, very simple stuff to do. There's lots on here. And you can see these are all high quality, and again the text in the middle, you would just simply go ahead and change this. So what I would do with this method here is I would go ahead and offer my services on Fiverr and find people on Upwork, and then you can just simply come over to Flix Express and use the free templates on here. Now in terms of the templates, you can see they've got different plans. They've got expert, they've also got business, I believe there is a business plan. But you don't need this when you're first starting out. When you're first starting out, you can simply go ahead and just use these free versions. So you can see this one here. Oh, sorry, not the. Oh yeah, so this one here is available on the trial. So when you first sign up, you're on a 7-day trial where you can get additional templates for free. Now also on here, let me just go ahead and show you the actual pricing. So where's the pricing? It's up here at the top. I'm going to click on pricing. Scroll down here, so you can see on the free account, this one here, this is what you get access to. So you get 15 different templates that you can use. You've got branding on here, you've got the commercial rights, etc. Now what I would say is with this is I would go ahead and list my services over on Fiverr and look for jobs on Upwork. Once you go ahead and you sell one of those, then you can simply come over here and sign up and go to this. You can see it costs $83 per month, or $3.49 per month if you go ahead and pay monthly. So you literally need one of these services, one of these gigs to sell on Fiverr, and then you can upgrade on here. So you see this one here, I mean this is a pretty decent offer really. $10 per month for an expert package, but you don't need to start out with this. You can start out on the free templates and just use what they've got available on here. As you saw, there was many different ones available on the free template. So you simply just come over here, create a free account, and then you go through and edit these. It's really simple. They've got a video here showing you exactly this, but these are the different sorts of things that you can do. You can do YouTube intros, you've got promos and ads, animated slideshows. There's lots on here. So you see, let's look at this one here, YouTube intros. This again is another gig that you could go ahead and list over on Fiverr. Let's go and type this in, YouTube intros. And I have no doubt you will find lots. So you can see, look, I will create a unique YouTube intro. You've got another one here, another one, another one. There'll be hundreds of these where you could go ahead and again offer your gigs over on Fiverr. Now that is just one software that you can go ahead and use. Another one that you can use, and again they offer a free package, is this one here. It's called rawshorts.com. Now on here you've got explainer videos and you've got promo videos, and again you can get started with this for free. And you come down here and it's the same process. All you're doing is a couple of clicks. You're selecting the template, changing the text, uploading an image if you want to, click on render, and then you get the video. Now let's just have a look at some of these to give you an example. So what's this one here? We've got deck constellation. Let's look at this one. And again, all of these sorts of videos here, these are all over on Fiverr, and you can find these on Upwork. I mean, look at this one. You've got a restaurant promo. Click on play on there for you. So you can see all of these look very professional, they're very good, and believe me, people are using templates from this website here and also from Flix Express, and then going and basically doing everything what I'm sharing with you in this video. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you've got any questions, leave them below for me. If you liked the video, give the video a like, but it's a free way that you can get started making some extra money online, and it is literally just a few simple clicks. So that's enough for today. I shall see you tomorrow.